I know, I know. Hello, hi there, y'all. Welcome to Cooking with me, KLT, or slightly cooking. I'm going to today to do a recipe. Well, dressing recipe, and let's get it started. Goodbye for now. Now I'm going to do one of each individual food. Oh, we need a clear big cup and one, as you can see, and start. And then the sour cream, a little cup of sour cream, and a teaspoon of salt. As you can see, there's a teaspoon. Stop. And then the milk. Now, I take these three ingredients first. So all, stop. You take the sour cream, put it in the cup. There you go. Sour cream in now. Whoops. Most of it. And you take the tablespoon of salt. Put that in there. And then take the milk. And put that in there. Now, not yet. Then stop. Now, here's a teaspoon of pepper. I'm gonna put that in there. Ollie. And next I need a pickle juice. And stop. And then my friend is teaspoon of garlic powder. Stop for now. And my vinegar. I see. And now we're going to pour this. Oh. And stop for now. I take the pickle juice. Gently pour it in there. And take the garlic powder. Slowly. And then slowly dump it. And then take this wine vinegar and slowly pour that in here. And now for a minty ingredient. And now back to me. And now for the minty ingredient. I'm not going to give you everything, but I will give you a hint. I am. Yep, it does. I will give it a hint. And I'm going to a teaspoon of minty ingredient and stop. That looked like a lot. Well, yeah, I got some Mexican food I've been saving, so let's try it. And we continue. Whoops. Anyway, I know in my next recipe, on my next and I got a Mexican food I'm going to try. It matches something. Yo, I don't want to miss things. So, some leftover I made. So I'll be back. Stop for now. in my mix that I made right now. Get it slightly done in here. So I love it now. Let's see if I can crack the bite. Now that's a little better. You know what, man? You know what I'm thinking? I'm taking a small container, and not really a big one, like about a small one. Oh, better. Yeah, it will work better because it holds all the ingredients in the big one. But I just wanted to have a empty cup, whether big or small, clear, so you can see what's inside. I put it inside. I just wanted to do that because this is my only cooking maybe I'll ever do wiTh spicy. Ooh, hot. After this, I'm getting me a drink of water. Should I drink this? Yeah, nope. Go for dipping, but not for drinking. So, so out there, if you got Wi-Fi, or if you haven't, well, there will be new videos of me whenever. So when you get Wi-Fi back, I hope somebody does. And also, look on me, Block 15, to know how to subscribe to me. Literally. But keep watching these videos, and I'll be back or whatever. Goodbye for now, cuz. Stop. Bye for now. Oh, yeah. P.S. This was cooking with me, KLT. Well, slightly over cooking. I just wanted to do my recipe. Oh, I do my recipe for y'all. So, goodbye for now. Stop. Bye for now.